Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and this is Vanessa Style. Go and subscribe. Today we are going to challenge my grandmother. She used to be that girl. I saw my grandmother pictures, like the way she was wearing those head scarves. That was iconic. I want to try that today. And then for my grandmother, I remember fabric was everything. I had to go to Joanne. You say Joanne? Joanne? This one, Joanne. I had to go there and find me some good stuff, some good fabric, some expensive looking fabric. My grandma, she used to be bold. Like, I had to, you know, for her. So I got me those linen. I don't know if you can see that. Linen fabric. They look, it's 1 yard on this one and 1 yard on that one. So I had me those two, and they look at that. Let's get started. My grandmother, we have something like this. Really nice earrings, makeup in points. And then, because they was not doing crazy, I'll show you something. They was accessorizing the scarf. They had this one. I created this. They will do something like this. Congolese queen. That was the look. Like, you already know I didn't do anything. I just played with it. It's insane. I love it. What they was focused on was the texture of the fabric. Like I said, it was fabric all the way long, never doing crazy, and then the accessory on top of it. On this one, I'm not gonna show you anything special she used to do, because it's really just you feel yourself and make sure your fabric is showing. It's kind of a boho chic kind of look, you know, wabi-sabi kind of look, imperfection, all the craziness showing. Oh, girl, I hope the camera is showing everything I'm seeing here. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. My grandmother, you already know. Look at that. Simple. On this one, there is no any rule. Like I said, there is no rule. You can just go and play with this. Everything is from Joanne. Like, you have your wigs and whatever, you have nothing on me. Oh Lord. Now we're gonna do my style. This is from Amazon, you know, easy. I'll leave the link down below. Make it even. have so far. And then I like to twist to do some. Here you have it. Could not go without showing you the mother of the scarf. African look. I wanted to give you some more dramatic, but I couldn't do it. I'm telling you, I couldn't do it. So here you have it. How you like it? Hey, how you doing? That's my mom. That's it for today, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna get inspired. Subscribe. Do everything you're supposed to do, cause I got you. That was Vanessa, and this is Vanessa Style. Bye, peace, love, blessing. Bye.